the mindset of customer service talent.
Remember Wally, the movie?
Of course.
On the other end, again, is a human, is a leader. Take care of your people.
Hey everybody, CCW 2026 has been an amazing show. I'm here with one of the greatest CEOs in our space, Gal Rimon. How are you doing today, Gal?
I'm doing great.
Good to see you as always. One of the kindest, smartest guys. And it's been such a pleasure knowing you and seeing you and your organization grow over these years. And what you are building now is so exciting. So Gal, I mean, going back maybe a few years, but you and I have talked so much about the mindset of customer service talent. And how do we do more than just throw technology into this ecosystem, but to lift up and to guide people to be the best version of themselves?
Yeah.
I know that's something that matters a lot to you.
Totally. I think that the best version of themselves is the best manifestation of what we should do as not just as technology company and consultants and advisors, but as leaders of this market. There are millions and millions of people that getting into a sea change that it basically is a risk for society.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
So
wow.
What's our role in kind of the future of humankind? And
sure.
If you remember Wally, the movie?
Of course.
Right? You
Great
remember
movie.
what happened with the people upstairs?
Yeah.
They did nothing. They were redundant. So first thing, we want to make them relevant also for the future.
Yes.
Reskilling, upskilling, and so on. Second, we must put them at the center. We must put the employees at the center and augment AI to help the employees, whether they're employees, managers. Each one of us needs an assistant, an AI assistant. Otherwise, the AI will say, "My human."
Right, sure.
Right? And the third thing is like, how do we take this amazing technology? AI is amazing. I have a second brain. How do we utilize AI in order to help everyone, both employees,
the front line, all the way up,
managers, and also AI agents in kind of a compounded feedback loop? And this is the future of AI and people.
I love how much you're focusing on the front line still in this adaptation, in this exciting time where we are elevating experiences across the entire capability spectrum, from the technology all the way down through the people. So it's just exciting to me to see how you're enabling folks to be the very best versions of themselves and to learn and to grow, because the customer service workers that I'm seeing right now, they are so activated in terms of like, hey, how can I guide customers to their definition of success and do this in an exciting, accelerated, dynamic way. But so often they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the backing, the organizational back, they don't have the dots to connect.
Exactly.
So what you all are doing, I mean, you're giving dots to everybody.
Yeah, and think of a few of our customers that they're seeing the future, right? They're seeing, it's not a secret that there will be roles that will, you need less people in specific roles. And maybe other roles will grow, and you need basically to approach to them, offer them, show them the opportunities. You need to show them the potential, and then step by step, while they're still in their old role, to start showing them how can they be successful in the new role, and then only then to start moving them, shifting them to new roles. Horizontal promotion. This is the future of mobility, reskilling, and you as a business leader, you need to do that first. On the other end, again, is a human, is a leader. Take care of your people. Like
that hasn't changed.
Said, they will take care of your customers.
Absolutely. Yeah, well, if you're thinking about how to elevate experiences from the front line, your very staff, all the way through to engaging your customers in new and dynamic ways, definitely follow along with Gal, follow along with Centrical. Great things to come. Thank you, Gal.
Thank you, my friend.